If you ever need to add a coworker or another Webex user to your personal contacts, good news, it only takes a moment. Start by opening the Webex app on your desktop. At the top, you'll see the search bar. Just start typing their name. When they appear in the results, right-click their name, then select Add to Contacts. Choose the group you want to place them in. Click Add, and you're all set. They'll show up instantly in your Contacts tab under the group you selected. Super quick, super easy, and you're ready to reach out whenever you need. Now, if you need to add someone who isn't a Webex user, like a vendor, contractor, or personal number, you can use this manual method. Start by opening the Webex app and heading to the Contacts tab. In the Contacts view, look for the plus icon. When you click it, you'll see two options: Add a contact or create a custom group. Choose Add a contact. A dialog box will appear where you can create a custom contact. Click Create Custom Contact. Enter the person's first and last name, display name, and phone number, including any necessary country or area codes. There are also optional fields below if you want to include more details. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your new contact is now stored in your personal directory and ready for calling right inside the Webex app.